How to make popcorn shrimp on the Nuwave Brio Plus 7-quart air fryer. Power on the Brio and navigate the cooking presets menu until you locate number 78, the preset for popcorn shrimp. Press the start button and the Brio will automatically begin preheating to a temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, prepare your popcorn shrimp. When preheating is finished, pull the base tray out and carefully add the popcorn shrimp. Slide the base tray back inside the power base, and the Brio will automatically begin cooking with a temperature of 400 degrees for 6 minutes. Halfway through the cook, the Brio will alert you when to shake the base tray in order to evenly cook all sides of the shrimp. After a thorough shake, slide the base tray back inside, and the Brio will automatically resume the cook. When the countdown finishes, carefully pull the base tray out and pour the contents onto a plate. Add your favorite dipping sauce, and the popcorn shrimp is now ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.